Hi friends, how are you? Today I'm going to show you how to pin your wig on a canvas head. There's actually a correct way to do it and I'm going to show you how. So first of all, some of you have these right here. These are T-pins. T is for trash because we don't use T-pins. The pin itself is just much too thick and it could tear the inside of your cap. So instead, I'm going to show you what you're going to use. You are going to use like a sewing pin. See, it's got this little ball on it right there. So the pin is very thin. So we are going to use sewing pins to pin your wig. Okay, so let's check out the inside of your cap. Now, the inside of your cap may vary, but the general kind of guidelines are pretty much the same. So we're gonna flip this cap inside out. This is a wig I'm not done with just yet. You'll notice inside of your wig cap, you will have ear tabs on each side where your ears are. They could be thicker like this, like velvet. They could have silicone on them. They could look a little different than this, but in general, most wigs are going to have ear tabs, and it's gonna be a thicker material. Now, at the nape area, you will have some thicker material as well. In this particular cap, it's velvet. Yours might be velvet. It might be just a thicker material. It could be a polyurethane strip or a silicone strip. So we have the nape and the ear tabs. This is where we're going to pin through. Most of you will have a lace front. Some may have a polyurethane front, but most of you will have a lace front. We are never going to pin through the lace front at all, or the top area, or anything in the back. We are only pinning through these ear tabs and the nape area right there.